Here's how to replace the rear windshield wiper motor on a 2007 Kia Spectra. The first thing you need to do is open up the trunk and remove this panel here. So this panel was on like this, and there's a bolt there, and then there, and then the whole panel just sort of pries out with the clips. Then there's a 10 millimeter. You go around there. Lastly, there's this plug. To get that to come out, I had to take a small flat screwdriver and just push in right there, and then this pulls out. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to buy the rear wiper motor. And then remember, you also have to remove the wiper back here so that that can pull out.